What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show us how to um, create our first workbook, right? So first of all, this is our backstage. So you go to your blank if you want to create a new workbook. So I'm going to paste what I just created, on our worksheet. So I'm going to paste this. I'm going to modify it a little. So let me see. I want to make this like so. Okay. So let me just complete the data. Now this, of course, isn't really that important because I'm still going to talk about Excel formula and functions later on. So I just want to complete this for you guys to see. So let's say we have a data like this, right? And we want to create a chart for it. So I'm going to create a chart for this. I'm going to so let me use this one to create it. Let me use this one for the chart. I think this is good. Now, as a beginner, when you want to, let's say, enter a data, that is what I should have shown you from the very start. So if you want to enter your data, of course, this is your active cell. So I can activate any cell here by just clicking on any cell, so yeah, it's activated. So this is your active cell, and of course you can type in whatever you want. Right now, let's say I want to move to the right. Of course you can use your your right forward arrow key on your keyboard, your downward key, your upward key, and so on and so forth. Or you can use your shift tab to move. So your tab to move forward, your shift tab to move backward, and so on and so forth. So let's say I want to format this. It has already been formatted, so as in the currency format. So let's say I want to change the currency. I can change this to, let's say, euro. I can change this to euro or whatever. So now if you want to save, you come to your print. If you want to print, rather, you come to your print. Right now, if you look at this, you see that our worksheet is not properly aligned. The data we have created is not properly aligned. So what do we do? So first of all, you are going to determine if you want to print just one or both of them. So let's say I want to print just one. I'm going to tap on my escape, right? And I'll come to my print again, and I'm going to see this, but of course you can move this away from this, and you should have something like this. Yeah, we're definitely going to have something like that because I've not tapped on my escape. So your escape is your ESC on your keyboard. So once I do that, I should see something like this. Now let's say I want to print both of them. So I can draw this close, and I can come back to my print, and yeah, so I can come to my print, and I should see something like this. Then you can change this to, let's say, A4. You can change this to landscape, and so you should have something like this to cover both of them. and then you can print when your printer is connected. So I want to save, so I'm going to save to the very location that I want. So let's say I want to save to my desktop. So I'm going to save to my desktop, and I save as book 5.xl, but definitely you want to change your title or name to something reasonable. But in my case, I'm changing mine to title, which of course isn't reasonable. So you don't need to add any extension like .xlx whatever, because originally once you type this, it's going to take the extension of what you have here. So you can change it to PDF, and it's going to take the extension of PDF, right? So you can save that if you want. So now immediately you save, it's going to take up that title right here. So it's going to change your book 5 to so because I saved as PDF, it's trying to open up the PDF I just saved. So it's going to take up the title and going to replace whatever you have here, right? So what else? So I just wanted to do a light video on this, on entering your data and a little formatting of your data. So thank you guys for